Look at Little Miss. She's got all her feathers back. She used to be the bald chicken. She was our first hen. Little Miss, you're so pretty. She's the smallest one too. You can see her feathers coming in. They look like blood feathers. Still have one more that I'm not really seeing signs of the feathers coming back yet, but sure soon. They all went bald around the same time. This is what Little Miss looked like before all her feathers came in. There's the other one. Soon she'll be pretty again.
What are you doing, Grandma? Yeah, say hi on your way to your pooping spot. That was her saying hi on her way to her pooping spot.
Oh, okay. She got real quiet when I got the camera out. Snack, snack, snack. Anybody want a snack? Snack, snack, snack. You guys want a snack? They were ravenous. Gotta do water on this side. I already did snacks. This is what ducks do to the water dishes. That's Chippy. He's our youngest. He's a spring baby. She. I think she's a she. Chippy. Chippy. He doesn't want to be bothered by the other chickens. He goes in the bunny hutch because it's safe in there. That is why we put it in here. We're going to put baby chickens in there. We still might someday. Probably. We did lose some chickens from rooster fighting. There you go. Whoa. He just got chased. She. But rooster fighting. We lost our last youngest baby from a rooster fight. Kind of fell on. Somehow they were fighting and one of the roosters ended up on top of the chicken and it didn't survive it. Chippy did. That happened to Chippy too. Chippy got himself in a rooster fight and survived it. Didn't get hit bad. All the hens were running from this side earlier when I called them for snack. Decent shady spot for your chicken. It's a messy spot, of course, you can tell. It's where compost and extra things are stored. Got a little bit of falling going on over here. Well, just one. I'll probably just cut it off. I slid the shade tarp. Oh, we got more falling. Sorry, I don't mean to do that. I get distracted by something often enough. Passion flower is wrapping itself around and knocking that down. But what I was talking about is I pulled the shade tarp off. When it gets really hot, I can put it back on. Just pull it this way. So it's not perfect. It is a new addition. Passion flower is something else. It was blooming on the other side, and then I went to get a picture of it. And the flowers had closed. Don't see any. So I've taken the week off. Other than, walking around the yard and doing chickens.